All right, viewers. The Dashashvamedh Ghat is resounding with chants of Har Har Mahadev because as I speak, even at the Sanctum Sanctorium, the Aarti after the Prime Minister took part in the Aarti and the Mahabhishek. It's been thrown open for others to go and pay obeisance. The Prime Minister today realized his dream, which he launched in 2019, promising the people of his constituency that the Kashi Vishwanath corridor would be ready by 2021. Well, the first phase was inaugurated today by the Prime Minister. He had a packed day. Began with a visit to the Kal Bhairav temple where he performed an aarti. He then took a ferry from Khidkiya Ghat and reached the Kashi Vishwanath corridor where he delivered what many would suggest was the money shot of the day, wading into the waters of the Ganga loaded with symbolism, subtle messaging. Some would say not so subtle, be it political and otherwise. Also, giving out the message that the Ganga is cleaner than earlier. If I can wade into the waters and take this holy dip, so can you. Well, the Prime Minister adorning saffron with a kalash in his hand and a Rudraksh mala, which symbolizes Lord Shiva, whose Nagari, Varanasi, is... took that holy dip. After that, he changed into a golden kurta pajama and went in for the Maha Aarti at the Kashi Vishwanath temple, took stock of what he had envisioned, because since 2019, he's not quite seen how the development work has been coming through. But this was phase one, viewers. The phase one cost to the government is about 390 crores. The entire project will cost the government about 800 crores. It's completely changed on what the temple of Kashi Vishwanath stood at. The basic premise of the temple and the corridor is to link the Ganga Ghat right up to the Sanctum Sanctorium. So if devotees come, they can actually walk up from the ghats of the Ganga, go all the way to the main deity, the temple of Kashi Vishwanath. Let's listen in to all the reactions and the Prime Minister coming in and speaking to Kashivasis. All right. We're going to listen, get in a word from what went down during the course of the day, but let's get you now. Now, this is something which is endearing. It's not the first time he's done it. He's done it earlier as well. There are shots coming in of the Prime Minister eating lunch with the workers who keep the wheels turning of the Kashi Vishwanath temple, who clean the premises, who make things happen, who are behind the scenes, all working together, and usually are faceless and usually are never quite thanked. Prime Minister Modi, if we remember, all the way in 2014, when he had come in here at the Assi Ghat, had washed the feet of the sanitation workers there. And then he ate lunch. Even today, he showered flower petals on the workers, sanitation workers, the karamcharis, the people who keep it clean. He did that with them, took a picture with them, then ate lunch is what we are getting to hear with them. But these visuals coming in, the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath flanking the Prime Minister right outside the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. These visuals streaming in as we speak, the Prime Minister right now on the ghats outside the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. We're going to continue to get our viewers the latest. I'm going to ask my camera person Hitesh to get you a basic understanding of where we are at, because this is where the action will shift. To tell you right now, even if you look at the screens have now moved to the Dashashvamedh Ghat. That is what is being beamed live across, because the Prime Minister is going to now, with what we are getting to understand, take that cruise line back and make his way to Ravidas Ghat. He's going to be passing this ghat, but in the evening, come at about 6 p.m., viewers, he's going to be stationed right here at the Dashashvamedh Ghat for the Ganga Aarti. Let's listen in to what the Prime Minister said at some time, speaking directly to Kashivasis, his own constituency.
विश्वनाथ धाम का ये पूरा नया परिसर एक भव्य भवन भर नहीं है, ये प्रतीक है हमारे भारत की सनातन संस्कृति का। ये प्रतीक है हमारी आध्यात्मिक आत्मा का। ये प्रतीक है भारत की प्राचीनता का, परंपराओं का, भारत की ऊर्जा का, गतिशीलता का। आप यहां जब आएंगे तो केवल आस्था के ही दर्शन होंगे ऐसा नहीं है, आपको यहां अपने अतीत के गौरव का एहसास भी होगा। कैसे प्राचीनता और नवीनता एक साथ सजीव हो रही है, कैसे पुरातन की प्रेरणाएं भविष्य को दिशा दे रही हैं, इसके साक्षात दर्शन विश्वनाथ धाम परिसर में हम कर रहे हैं। जो मां गंगा उत्तर वाहिनी होकर बाबा के पांव पखारने काशी आती है, वो मां गंगा भी आज बहुत प्रसन्न होगी। अब जब हम भगवान विश्वनाथ के चरणों में प्रणाम करेंगे, ध्यान लगाएंगे, तो मां गंगा को स्पर्श करती हुई हवा हमें स्नेह देगी, हमें आशीर्वाद देगी। और जब मां गंगा उन्मुक्त होगी, प्रसन्न होगी, तो बाबा के ध्यान में हम गंग तरंगों की कलकल का दैवीय अनुभव भी कर सकेंगे। बाबा विश्वनाथ सबके हैं, मां गंगा सबकी है, उनका आशीर्वाद सबके लिए है। कुछ ऐसे लोग भी थे जो बनारस के लोगों पर संदेह करते थे, कैसे होगा ही नहीं, यहां तो ऐसे ही चलता है, ये मोदी जी जैसे बहुत आके गए। मुझे आश्चर्य होता था कि बनारस के लिए ऐसी ही धारणाएं बना ली गई थी, ऐसे तर्क दिए जाने लगे थे। ये जड़ता बनारस की नहीं थी, हो भी नहीं सकती थी। थोड़ी बहुत राजनीति थी, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ लोगों का निजी स्वार्थ, इसलिए बनारस पर आरोप लगाए जा रहे थे। लेकिन काशी तो काशी है, काशी तो अविनाशी है। काशी में एक ही सरकार है, जिनके हाथों में डमरू है, उनकी सरकार है। जहां गंगा अपनी धारा बदलकर बहती हो, उस काशी को भला कौन रोक सकता है। इस देश की मिट्टी बाकी दुनिया से कुछ अलग है। यहां अगर औरंगजेब आता है तो शिवाजी भी उठ खड़े होते हैं। अगर कोई सालार मसूद इधर बढ़ता है तो राजा सुहेलदेव जैसे वीर योद्धा उसे हमारी एकता की ताकत का एहसास करा देते हैं।
All right, Via, so what we are expecting is that the Prime Minister now, he's going to get back onto the cruise liner, the cruise vessel, and he's going to make his way from Lalita Ghat all the way to Ravidas Ghat. He's going to take an hour's break and then he's going to be back for the Ganga Aarti alongside the chief ministers of BJP-run states and the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh and his cabinet. I want to cut across right now to my colleague Aishwarya, who's joining me from Assi Ghat to get us the latest in terms of what we can expect in the due course of the day. Aishwarya, we know the Prime Minister is here for 2 days. Tomorrow is full of meetings, more politics than what we saw today. What can we expect through the course of today? The Prime Minister all set to leave the Lalita Ghat in a short while. What happens now?
Well, Preeti, I'm standing at the Assi Ghat and this is the route that the Prime Minister will take, and preparations are going on in full swing. For as far as your eyes will see, all the diyas have been brought. These young school girls are now making sure that they put oil for the diyas. The idea is when the Prime Minister moves from the Ravi Ghat and he attends the Ganga Aarti, all these diyas will be lit. From what we are gathering across the city of Varanasi, more than 1 lakh diyas will be lit. So it feels feels like Diwali, and definitely, the entire vibe of the city is of the one where people are celebrating. They believe what Prime Minister Narendra Modi has done for the city, no other Prime Minister could do. We'll also try and speak with आप लोग ये दिए में अभी तेल डाल रहे हैं।
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये इसका क्या आगे का प्रोग्राम क्या रहेगा?
सर
किसके लिए हो रहा है ये सब? आप किसके लिए कर रहे हैं? मोदी जी के स्वागत के लिए।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो ये जितने दिए यहाँ पे सबके अंदर सारे दिए जलेंगे।
Yes, ma'am.
सारे दिए। और आप लोग अभी क्या कर रहे हैं?
अभी दिए जला रहे हैं।
हाँ, अच्छा,
दिए जलाएंगे।
दिए जलाएंगे और अभी तेल डाल रहे हैं। So Preeti, all the preparations going on in full swing, and everyone is involved. From the young school kids to the elderly, everyone is so involved in doing what they want to do. These school girls now making sure when the diyas are lit around 5:30 is what we are understanding, and we will be able to see the Prime Minister. This is the route, Preeti, which he will take. We are expecting the Prime Minister to cross Assi Ghat in another 15 to 20 minutes. By that time, all the diyas that you see, the diyas are going till the end of the ghat. So everything will be lit around 5:30. Preparations here at the ghat going on in full swing, and everyone, be it a child, be it an elderly person, everyone at the moment is involved, and they are saying this is their way of showing their appreciation for Prime Minister Narendra Modi and what he has done. Preeti.
The UP administration, and we want to tell our viewers, have pulled out all the stops. Teachers from across Uttar Pradesh have been brought into Varanasi to make sure that 1.5 lakh diyas are lit across the ghats. The UP government have pulled out all the stops to make this event a mega success. And yes, you do have to underline that it is an event that they are managing, which will continue for days to come, even after the Prime Minister leaves. I want to cut across, though, right now to my colleague Akshita, who's standing by, who's going to break down the significance of the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. Over to you, Akshita.
Let me get you all the details you need to know about the Mammoth Kashi Vishwanath Corridor project. It's been built at a cost of a whopping 800 crore rupees and in all covers 5,000 hectares of area in Varanasi. Now, there's also been a lot of focus on beautification, which is why 70% of the corridor also has a lot of green cover. Essentially, this Kashi corridor connects the main temple to the Ganga Ghat, to the Lalita Ghat along the Ganges. There are 7 grand gates and all walkways are completely paved now as part of this project. It also includes hundreds of small temples along this entire stretch which have been renovated. Auditoriums are part of the corridor. You have a lot more public utility areas to make it more convenient for devotees. There's also a museum in the area now. And there's a lot more space for devotees. These cramped areas have been made into platforms for about 10,000 devotees to gather at a time. Remember that the foundation stone was in fact put in place by Prime Minister Modi in March 2019. So in 2 years, the first phase of the project is ready. There's also a statue of Maharani Ahilya Bai Holkar in the Kashi corridor. This Maharani actually built the demolished temple back in 1776. So there's a tribute to the Maharani as well.
All right, viewers, there was one defining image of today which was loaded with spiritual, religious and importantly political messaging as well. And that was the Prime Minister taking the holy dip. None of us knew. Usually the Prime Minister's itinerary comes out, exactly where he will be at what point of time is given out. This was unexpected. Nobody quite knew. The Prime Minister came in, a white kurta pajama. Suddenly he emerged back, dressed all in saffron, with Rudraksh Mala around his neck, holding a kalash and taking that holy dip in river Ganga. Also giving out that message that, this Ganga is cleaner than before. I can take the dip here, so can you. This, viewers, if, one is to go by, when you talk about that it was the money shot of the day, where the Prime Minister took that holy dip in front of everybody, went back, changed, took water from the river Ganga. Again, it's religious protocol that when one goes to the Kashi Vishwanath temple, they take an offering of Ganga water. All right. And then, after the Aarti, the Prime Minister sat down with the... First, he honored the workers, sanitation workers, karamcharis who keep the wheels of the Kashi Vishwanath Dham moving. always faceless, always in the background. He honored them, showering flower petals. He actually ate lunch with them also later. Pictures have emerged, and this is not the first time he's done it. He's done it before as well. Something which is rather heartening, because not many leaders actually think of those who keep things moving at the background, faceless completely, hardly ever thanked, to give them a face, to thank them in public, eating lunch with them.
और लगातार उसका अपडेट लेते रहना, समीक्षा करते रहना और विकास के कार्यों को अंतिम परिणत पर ले जाना, ये जो संकल्प से सिद्धि का जो मंत्र इस सरकार का रहा है, यही दोनों ही जननायक.
All right, viewers, I want to keep getting. Okay, now I'm going to get you what's happening here. So I'll ask my camera person Hitesh to show you. The Dashashwamedh Ghat is beginning to get completely cleaned. You can see, it's usually rarely ever happens. People have been told to leave the ghat for a short while. They're washing the ghats for the aarti. The flowers are being decked up as we speak. What you see the machine running here is whatever water is collecting there, that water is going to be pumped out back. I have, it's not the first time I'm coming here. I have seen the aarti, I've seen the Dashashwamedh Ghat so many times in the past. I have never seen it cleaner. Since the morning, sanitation workers were stationed here to clean out the ghat completely. What you see is completely clean. There are no, flower petals, leaves, which usually devotees offer. Usually this is lined with broken diyas. This is way, way cleaner than we've ever seen it before. But this is what it looks like. Things moving right now at furious pace at the Dashashwamedh Ghat. It's going to host the Ganga Aarti, the iconic Ganga Aarti. The Prime Minister will be on the same cruise vessel that he went to the Lalita Ghat, this time flanked by his chief ministers of BJP-run states, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, and he will be witnessing the Ganga Aarti here. Earlier on, there was indication that the public or the locals will not be allowed, but a message has come from the Prime Minister's office here that he doesn't want a complete cordoning off of people. He wants them to be present. It remains to be seen how the SPG, his security, is going to manage it, because it's going to be a huge task for them to actually secure the ghat. What we are given to understand is that the boat, if you see the ghat on the left-hand side, this is where the aarti will take place, where, the flowers are being decked up. This is where the aarti will take place. The Prime Minister is going to be right on the right-hand side, right there. This is where the Prime Minister in his cruise vessel will be there. You see the SPG, they are making the rounds, they are trying to sanitize the area. As what we know right now is that the Prime Minister is going to get back onto that cruise vessel. I'll ask my camera person Hitesh to slowly, show you. He's going to get back onto that cruise vessel and he's going to make his way to the Ravi Das Ghat. And from there, it's going to be 1 hour break, and then the Prime Minister will be back in the waters to witness the Aarti. I want to connect right now to my colleague Aishwarya, who's standing by at the Assi Ghat, not very far from here. Aishwarya, what are you witnessing there? Here at the Dashashwamedh Ghat, Aishwarya, the SPG coming in, the security, the police coming in, making sure that people actually, where any of these boats are there, they wanted to all cordoned off, nobody sitting on the boats. Over to you, Aishwarya.
Well, I'll just walk these stairs and show you exactly what is happening. You'll be able to see the people there filling the tail, making sure that there is tail in all the diyas. Those diyas are going all the way up to the next flight of stairs, Preeti. And all this is being done as a way to thank Prime Minister Narendra Modi for what he has done. Now, these young schoolgirls here, you will see they too have been making sure that all the diyas are filled. They are bringing the oil and, slowly all the diyas are being filled. 5:30, we are being told, is the time when all these diyas will be lit. See, on the other side, chants of Har Har Mahadev are taking place. All this is being done because people want to thank their Prime Minister, whose Lok Sabha constituency is Varanasi. I'll just walk up till these people and try and speak with them. आप सब हर हर ये बताइए कि आज जिस तरीके से उद्घाटन हुआ है काशी धाम के कॉरिडोर का, तो आपको लगता है इससे काशी का उद्धार होगा?
काशी का उद्धार ही नहीं होगा, ये पूरे भारत को पूरे विश्व में प्रतिष्ठित करने की बात है। बात यह है कि ये जो नगरी है देवादिदेव शिव की नगरी, इसके विषय में कहा जाता है कि न यदा भूमि वलयम न यथा अपाम समुद्भव तदा विहर्तुम ईशेन क्षेत्रम एतत् विनिर्मितम। माने जिस समय सृष्टि में कुछ नहीं था, कहीं कुछ नहीं था पूरे विश्व में, उस समय शिव ने अपने विहार के लिए इसका सृजन किया। ये स्थान इतना पुरातन है तो इसकी प्राचीनता का उल्लेख नहीं किया जा सकता है।
आप लोग खुश हैं?
बहुत ज्यादा खुश हैं हम लोग।
हम लोग भाव विह्वल हैं, आह्लादित हैं इस मुहूर्त पे आकर के। अपने को सौभाग्यशाली मानते हैं कि हमारे देश का एक ऐसा यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री हम लोगों को मिला है कि हम लोगों का इस धराधाम का धन्य हुआ और हम लोगों का जीवन धन्य हुआ।
जीवन धन्य हुआ, प्रीति। This is what people here are talking about, and as far as you will be able to see, the decorations are in place, the flower petals are in place, all the diyas are now filled with the oil, with the ghee. All of them will be lit by about 5:30, and this is the route, Preeti. Prime Minister Modi will be crossing the Assi Ghat. As he makes his way, we understand him to cross, from here in another 20 minutes. The people definitely, Preeti, are the happiest at the moment. They all believe what the PM has done was long awaited, and they really are happy. Preeti.
Give us an itinerary of sorts. What's expected? What time will the Prime Minister come from the Ravidas Ghat? He's going to go there in a short while from there, and then back at the Dashashwamedh Ghat.
तो अपने आप में ज्ञान के तट के रूप में जाना जाता है। जो भी
Preeti, from what we are picking up, around 5:30, he will start making his way back. He will be accompanied by UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. And now this is the route which he will take, and he will be reaching the spot where the Ganga Aarti will take place around 6:15, between 6 and 6:15. And the Aarti will begin. He will watch the entire Aarti, which goes on for roughly 20 minutes, and then he will make his way back. Now today, the entire day has been dedicated to the Kashi Vishwanath corridor, and what we have seen Prime Minister do since morning was that he went to the different temples and he prayed there. Now this obviously, as you were talking about, is an event which is being very well managed, but the people, they are the ones who are really happy. Most of the people we have been speaking throughout the day and also yesterday talk about the fact that there were many prime ministers, there were many chief ministers, but no one could change Varanasi the way Prime Minister Narendra Modi has done. Preeti.
All right, Aishwarya, appreciate you joining us. Well, this is what it looks like right now. My camera person Hitesh will give our viewers a larger view of the Dashashwamedh Ghat. Like I said, the only vessels that you see right now on the river Ganga is the SPG. It's the UP police trying to sanitize the area to make sure, that everything goes without a hitch. It's a Herculean task, to say the least. The Prime Minister is all set to get back on the cruise vessel, and that will make its way from the Lalita Ghat. He's right now going to board it back at the Lalita Ghat, and that vessel will go all the way from there to the Ravidas Ghat. He's going to take a 1-hour break, and then the Prime Minister will be back to watch the Aarti, to witness the iconic Aarti at the Dashashwamedh Ghat. A lot of locals lining up here, hoping to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister, many of them rather ecstatic, and I have to say, whoever we've spoken to right now in Varanasi is elated at the money, the infrastructure push in Varanasi. It's a city which is ancient, if you look.
आप सही कह रहे हैं, और यहाँ पर हम एक जानकारी और सभी